सज्जनों, अब ये ऑफिसर कैडेट्स भारतीय सैन्य अकादमी से विधिपूर्वक विदा ले रहे हैं। धीमी गति से मार्च करते ये वीर भारतीय सैन्य अकादमी भवन में प्रवेश से पहले अंतिम वक्त को
Very shortly, 3 Cheetah helicopters from the 23 independent reconnaissance and observation flights will fly past the saluting gates to honor the success of the passing out course as the passing out officer cadets approach the Alpha. Kneeling formation is being led by Lieutenant Colonel Vikramjit Singh, followed by Major Suyash Banani and Major Dipin Tyagi. Along with them, wish the officer cadets of the passing out course good fortune and glorious years of service to the nation in keeping with the highest traditions of the Academy and the